These two rugged phones are among the cheapest 5G rugged phones of 2025, and they are the latest from their respective brands. I'm talking about the Oscal Tank 1 and the Cubot KingKong 11. So in this video, I'll compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones just to see which is equipped with the best specs. The Tank 1 is not available yet, but it's expected to launch in September for a very affordable price. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's compare the specs of both devices. So there you have you guys, the Oscal Tank 1 versus the Cubot KingKong 11. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Personally, the Tank 1 is a much more better device. Because of its processor, the Dimensity 7050, the Oscal Tank 1 is expected to handle tasks a lot more efficiently than the Cubot KingKong 11. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.